In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Suno Song Editor. In order to do that, first head over to suno.com and you should be able to do this. Now, in this case, you can head over and then edit videos by either creating them first or going over right here to your library in order to see what your song looks like still. Now, in here, you can click on this particular audio, then click on this remix and edit, and click on this open in editor. You can head over and click on that, but do take note that this editor option is available only on the Pro plan as well as other plans it has. Now once you have access to it, you can head over and then click on that particular editor and then edit this particular audio that you have to your liking. So you can click on this particular audio and then you can play it and edit it however you want it to be and remix it as well according to it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.